Profit Finder Pro's calendar will sync to your Google Calendar, but there are some steps that you need to take in order to sync it up. First of all, you'll want to log into your Profit Finder account. Go up here to the calendar and click on Sales Calendar. Once you click on the Sales Calendar, then you will see this little button here show up that says Log in to Google. Log into Google. And so click that button, and then your Google options, if you have more than one Google account, those will show up and it will ask which account that you want to use. So pick which account you're going to use. Click on that, enter your password, and then it will ask you if you want to allow Profit Finder Pro software access. Click Allow or Yes. And then you will come back to this page right here, and you'll click the Sync Now. Once you're done with that, then you're going to go to your Google Calendar. Let's just get to that page here. You're going to go to your Google Calendar and you'll see Profit Finder Pro right here. Click on that and I usually click Display This Only. And then I also go to the Settings and Sharings and change the time here. It will default to a time zone that is probably not yours. So find whatever your time zone is and click it. And then you can also put whether or not you want notifications from appointments or things that are added to your calendar. Once you're done with that, you can just go back to your Profit Finder and you should be set to use the calendar. Once you are in the program, you should never have to log out of Google any longer. However, if you find that for some reason your Profit Finder is not syncing to it, check your calendar. Again, go to Sales Calendar and check whether this says log in or log out. If it says log in, it means that you were kicked out, so you want to go back in. Maybe there were some software changes or something that kicked you out. It's as simple as that.